Side Income Pro sounds like a dream. Earn money by watching videos, clicking ads, and doing small tasks. But like most things that seem too good to be true, this might be more nightmare than payday. The website's domain is shockingly new, and already it's making bold promises about earning thousands of dollars. Alarm bells? They're not just ringing, they're screaming. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, because before you dive into Side Income Pro, you deserve the bitter truth, not just glossy hype. Let's get real. Their Trustpilot rating sits at 2.7 out of 5, and the reviews tell a painful story. One user hits back hard. This website is scamming people by inviting them to watch ads. They say you must reach $100 to get paid, but once you hit that target, they show approved on your dashboard, and then nothing. Nobody actually gets paid. Another reviewer, not holding back with the drama and crying emojis, said, "This website should be shut down. I requested a withdrawal after waiting the required 3 working days, and now I've almost waited 2 weeks with 0 payout." That's not just frustration, that's a public plea. Their FAQ page promises a $100 minimum withdrawal, but according to users, your account gets marked approved, and then you never see the cash. On top of that, the site bombards you with pop-up notifications, hyping up payout incoming like a clickbait pitch, while nothing actually moves. Customer support? Pretty much a ghost town. That chat option doesn't connect you to a person. It's just a static FAQ page acting like it's there to help. Trying to reach real support feels like shouting into an empty void. And then there are all the classic scam red flags. A high payout threshold, fake "your money is coming" notifications, no real proof of people getting paid. Sketchy new website with 0 reputation. Look, the truth is, Side Income Pro isn't designed to make you rich. It's built to make its owners rich by milking ad views, clicks, and your data, while leaving you chasing an illusion. If you're thinking of wasting precious time, you could probably spend that effort learning a real online skill or building a side hustle that actually pays. Why gamble on this? If you want raw, no-fluff reviews of sketchy money-making apps, smash that like button and hit subscribe. I've got more of these under-the-hood breakdowns coming, so you don't fall for the next shiny con.